In today's world, almost everything we do online leaves a digital footprint. From browsing websites to logging into apps, signing up for services, or even commenting on social media, every action creates a trail. But what if you could see exactly what information about you is floating around the internet? Today, I'll show you 3 completely free tools that help you track, analyze, and clean your digital footprints. Let's start with the first tool, Have I Been Pawned? This website is one of the most trusted platforms for checking whether your email or passwords have been leaked in a data breach. Just enter your email address, and the site instantly scans through billions of exposed records. If your information appears in a breach, it tells you the source, what was leaked, and what you should do next. This is essential for protecting your accounts and preventing unauthorized access. The second tool is Google My Activity. If you use Google services like Search, Maps, YouTube, Chrome, or Android, this page shows everything your Google account has recorded. You can view your search history, app activity, voice commands, connected devices, location logs, and more. But the best part is the control panel. You can delete activities, disable tracking, or limit how long your data is stored. It's a great way to understand what Google knows about you and decide what you want to keep or remove. The third tool is Social Scan. This website checks if your name, email, or username is taken or used across major social platforms. But it doesn't stop there. It also looks for impersonation or suspicious accounts using your identity. This is extremely useful if you want to protect your online presence, avoid fake profiles, or track how your digital identity appears across the internet. It's fast, easy to use, and completely free. Together, these 3 tools give you a powerful overview of your digital footprint. Have I Been Pawned helps you find leaked passwords. Google My Activity shows what your Google account records. And Social Scan helps track your identity across social networks. By checking these tools regularly, you can reduce privacy risks, strengthen your security, and stay in control of your online identity. Your digital footprint is valuable, so take a few minutes to understand it, protect it, and keep it safe. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.